Are you tired of having too much stuff in your hands and being too stupid to know what to do? If you have problems like that, fool, then this is the fridge for you. Mikey Sheen here with this fantastic product by Nevera fridges. This fridge does it all. Has a built-in iHome, sleek, elegant design for a whiteboard, and simple refrigerations. Bradley, would you care to explain the iHome?
I would, Mikey. The iHome entertainment system can keep you entertained while you cook, and along with the touchscreen technology, can keep you modernized in today's society. Mikey, would you care to explain the whiteboard?
I would love to, Bradley. So say you have following events coming up, like Bradley's birthday is in 2 days. Right there here. B-Day. 2 days. 2 days later, birthday's over. Everybody have fun. It's a sweet time. But you have this annoying B-Day for 2 days still on your fridge. Not anymore.
Shazam! It's gone. That's right.
The whiteboard works tremendously well. And, of course, simple refrigerations occur on the inside like any normal fridge.
It's 2.
And it's great for parties, too.
Yeah, it's fun! Yeah!
Sketchy Tunes by Nevera fridges cost $1,995. So call now. 1-800-555-555.
And one more.
5. And now a word from our sponsors.
If he were to pat you on the back, you would list it on your resume. He once punched a magician. That's right, you heard me. He once knocked out Mr. O.B. just by looking into his eyes. He is the most interesting man in the world.
I don't always refrigerate like this, but when I do, I prefer Nevera. Stay jamming, my friends.